No, not Sunday. Right now, you will watch it. This thing can make you can watch your screen. So I'm gonna go on better count. No, don't worry. I got another video. Don't worry about it.
Hey, wait.
I want to upgrade it.
Am I going to be on the next bit?
Yeah.
When's the next bit?
Oh no, Sam. I've upgraded
I'm
it.
going into outer space. Oh, I did it! Feel good. An actual DVD rifle. It's not good at
I don't want this one anymore. I want the Neo Psychic Cat. Can I equip the Neo Psychic Cat anyway? Into the future.
Into the future.
I'm on that.
Hey, wait, are you in a vid right now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so in the next vid, you can become bottle cats.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you're how do you got there?
India.
I am the best at battle cats.
No, you're not.
No, I mean yeah.
Yeah. On the second best. Yeah, but I'm the worst because I got Theo the Ubers.
Oh, I've got Awaken Bahamut. A little I am damn. I've got 11 rare, I've got 11 Ubers, a bunch of super rares, a bunch of rare specials. I've been 4 years and I have a level 30 Mohawk, level 31 Dark,
Dion.
41 Natural Legs. I had loads of stuff on there.
That's good.
And I had a bunch of coloured stuff. Yeah. Say Healer, Little Max and Kringle. Asmund, Diane, Peter, Mercury, Healer Cat, Medica, Timber and Metal and Secret Food. Hey, match out. That's a $1 million match out point at Neo Mana. I also have a Gangy Dusk, and I also have I've got oh wait, level 40 Mighty Aegisgaru. Oh,
I forgot about my Miss Monica. I haven't actually equipped it.
That since it's not, I wouldn't equip it if I were you. It's only good for like metals. Good. It'll be very OP when you find a metal stage.
What's a metal stage?
It has critical hits, and it's only really good for metals. No one ever uses it for any other reason.
I got to do my India.
I'm gonna look for some leech shields or something, so I can try and repeat a level. Is there any such thing as a leech shield? I also have the most rarest thing. I have an insane...
Yo, Bob blocked down my toothbrush.
I have I think the rarest cat in the game. I don't know. I have 2 killer tank cats. Look, I have this.
Hi, Bob.
Buddy. I'll summon in that feeling. Okay, so look, I have the main thing in the game, I think. True killer tank.
I need to go.
Okay, can I use... So yeah, this is like, I'm guessing just playing for a tank for second to do.
Oh, we've won.
I'm gonna use something different. Not Ringo, it's only good when it gets full frames. Epic cat food.
Oh, we're go.
Yes, there's a door. We got. A hammer.
Hi, Oliver. What are you on?
Wait, a hammer.
Right.
You get the note.
What does it mean? Did I just break my camera? I just hate it. Oh, what's it? Yeah, I got a new cat. New cat. I got Mister.
Wait, hold on.
It's Mister.
Yeah. I actually don't have him since I don't really like.
He's not a cat. So.
I don't really like trash for late game. I'd say it's good for you in your game, but I'm in late game. An angel village which has to be built.
Oliver's on
Wait,
that. Oliver, you going to the bumble? I see. Yeah, I have done some. Okay. Right now, like I have to say smiley face.
No.
I have to say that green.
I guess look at this. There's no way. Let me so we can only use my inner son. I guess big brains.
I feel so bad to say that is good. Jesus Christ.
Or should I get you here?
I don't care. I'm gonna touch on your head. What's today's name?
This is actually what I'm using. You prove this and this game with pancakes and stuff. Means how good it is. That'd be hard for.
Mate, I'm dying. Need cat in a box. Cat in a box. Ta!
Also, another thing. Nice. Help. Battle cuts. Runs. I don't even put me at the screen.
Oh, we're killing him! We're beating the pool!
Where's their faces? What is that? Oh, there. We need a key card. Number 2.
He's got...
Tank Island. Wait, see what you can get from there. You might get something good. I'll go from there. You might get something good from there. Scroll down so you can see what you can maybe next one. What are we supposed to do? What?
50,000 XP.
That's what you're getting next one.
Oh, that's
So you just need a
bad.
level 1 thing. So that way what? you're just getting more XP. No, that's just an easy way of earning money. Mobile.
Yeah, I want to upgrade. How do I wait? Yo, Mackenzie.
What's that? What do I do? That was easy. No alien face and weirdo thing.
How the
things
hell
from Cats of the Cosmos, which I'm literally in, and I'm literally on Garona. Now he's gonna stop it.
Can you join us, please? We really need help.
I've never played God of the Bumble before, so
So, do you have to end the bit?
yeah.
Okay, so we got.
Bye, guys.